Hi everybody, my name is Susana Pinto. I'm from Portugal and I was truly honored to have been a part of the Excel Summit in London 2025. But apart from that, I was truly honored to receive the Rising Star Award in Excel industry. So for me to be there getting this award and to be among of the brightest minds in our fields, it was an incredibly inspiring experience for me. So this award is not only a recognition of my hard work and passion for Excel and Power BI, but also a powerful reminder that of the endless possibilities that data analysis can bring to our professional lives. So let's connect. If you want to connect with me, I'm on YouTube, I'm on LinkedIn, I'm on Facebook twice, I'm on Instagram. Just look for Susana Pinto, Excel. Let's connect. I hope I can teach you something. I hope I can help you with something. And I would love to see you all next year on the Excel Summit 2026, which I will not miss for anything on this world. Okay. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye bye.